Afternoon all. Okay, if you look at these two ports, this has full coverage. I'll be able to port that. But this one is shy of material. You see right there? It doesn't have enough, so this port will basically be bigger than this one. So what I got to do is I got to go in, I got to weld probably about to there, all the way to where it gets thick again. Just a little ways in and then out on both of them. So okay, I'm not going to leave the camera running while I'm welding, so I'll show you after I'm done. Okay, thanks a lot. Like and subscribe please, I appreciate it. Appreciate all of you, and thank you very much for watching. All right, until the next segment, take care. Bye bye.